Daisy, sweet. I know. Hello, Buttons. What are you growling about?
You taking pictures too?
Sorry?
Do you take pictures too?
I film them and I put them on YouTube and Twitter. So, yeah. So when they growl at the camera, that's a little bit unhelpful. Never mind. Yes, I know. Come on, Pussycat. Headbox. She's funny, she growls while she's smooching. It's kind of, one of them is for show. Oh, look, she hasn't got a tail. I know, it's rough, isn't it? You're very soft, aren't you? Lovely girl. You look like a Manx cat now. Puss, puss. No. She gets around quite well. Have you met Buttons? Oh, look. Pusscat.